Let's talk about how to create ledger account in SAP S4 HANA system, and also we see the difference between ECC and S4 HANA for GL account. So let me log into SAP. So I have already logged into S4 HANA S2023 system. So the transaction codes and all these things are same. So if you go to the T code, I'll go for centrally FS00. Sorry, it's logged out for some delay in working here. So let me log in again. Okay, once you log in, so go to the T code FS00. Once you log into the T code FS00, so here as usual we need to find the latest available number like OBD4, where we find the account group. So my account group is like here we have is second. Let's try to find one of the account group. So maybe HGL. Yes, HGL is my account chart of account, and here are the account group. Okay, so I'm going to create some administration related GL accounts. So administration related GL accounts start from 4 lakh to 4 lakh 1000. So let me use this 4 lakh number, so which is already created here. So the next number is, so here it is rent expenses. So let me use the next available number. So here it is 4 lakh 1 I'm going to create. So click on this create button. So once you click on create button, so yeah, before that we have to also enter the company code, then click on create. So after that, here we have some options to select. So GL account type, so what type of account it is it balance sheet account, or is it a secondary cost, or is it a primary cost and revenue? So what type of account it is? Yes, it's a I'm going to create a salary account. Salary account is a primary cost for the company, right? So select here primary cost. Okay, and yeah, if you want to create anything like which doesn't require a cost element to be created, then you go for non-operating expense or income. But if you want to also add a cost center or internal order, any CO object, then by default this GL account will convert as cost element in S4 HANA. But in ECC we need to create a ledger account, then later on we have to go and we have to click on edit GL account for cost element. So we have to do that additional task. But in S4 HANA it's not like that. We can directly create the GL account as cost element while creating this ledger account itself. So select this. If you want to do that, then you select this primary costs and revenue or revenue. Then account group, as we are creating for administration, so we have to select here. But where do we enter the cost element category? So we can do that in the control data tab. We have to go to control data tab and we have to enter. So let me enter the description of the GL account. So this is salary expense account. So I will also enter long text, then go to control data tab. So this is not a balance sheet, so I'm not selecting this button. I mean local currency only. So I will directly go down and we will select here the sort key. Now whatever the sort key would like to enter, you can enter here. So let me use posting date. Then we have here cost element category. So here heading you can see account settings in controlling area HGL. Okay, so for this GL account, are you going to create this as primary cost? Yes, select this primary cost. If this GL account is related to revenue accounts, then you select revenue account. Okay, so if this GL account is expense account, then we will use 01. So double click here and enter. Now go to the create bank interest tab. So here we can enter the field status group. So we use D001 for general for expense related GL account. If you want anything else, you can enter that also. But the main purpose of this video is in ECC we used to create the cost element separately, but here in S4 HANA we can do this cost element here itself. But yeah, if you don't want to create this GL account as cost element, then instead of primary cost we will select non-operating expense or income. That's the difference. Okay, so click on save. Your ledger account is now successfully created. Okay, So yeah, we will show you the ECC system also. Let me log into my ECC system and I will show you the difference between these two T codes. So the same T code here, FS00. If you click on enter, yeah, this is the bank account. So let me use some expense related GL account. See here also we have rent expense. See here it is SAP server. It's a ECC system. If you go to display, so in control data, we do not have that option to enter the cost element. But yeah, if you want to enter the cost element in ECC system, want to convert this ledger as cost element, then we have to go to edit cost element. Okay, when you go to this, then yeah, it will take you to the next screen where we need to enter the cost accounting is not active. It means that we have not implemented the controlling module yet for this GL account. So that's the reason. Let me use some other company code here, and yeah, it's a T expenses. Okay, if you want to convert this ledger as cost element, then click on this edit cost element. So it will take you to KA01 T code if it is not created yet. Now this ledger is already created as cost element, so I can see this is now moving to K02. So here you can see primary cost reducing revenue. So both are the same. In SCC also same thing, we can enter one as a cost element category, and in S4 HANA we can enter the one which is primary cost. Okay, so that's how we do the GL accounts and cost element in SAP S4 HANA, and when it comes to ECC we have to do this separately. Yeah, one more thing, in ECC if we want to do the secondary cost element, then we will go to K06, which is create secondary cost element. Okay, but in S4 HANA you can do that in the same screen. Here itself we have a secondary cost. Here if you select this secondary cost, then yes, you can able to create the secondary cost. So yeah, I hope you understood this. That's all for the day. If you have any questions, you can please comment. Please share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I have seen so many of you have seen the video, and but you are not subscribed. Please, I request you to please subscribe to my channel. I have seen almost 70% people, they have not subscribed, but they are watching my videos. Please do that. It will be helpful for me. Thank you.